Welcome back to the show. We continue with Shaun Delmar, the exterior specialist from Wichita Homeworks, again at a Wichita home remodel here. Shaun, thanks for being with us today.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
So you brought us to an active site here, pretty busy behind us. Tell us what these guys are working on.
Well, so we've got a little bit of siding replacement going across the back of the house, a little bit of trim around the windows. They've had a little settling with the foundation, so some things were kind of out of square. Some leaks around a window with a little bit of repair work to do on the framework and the sheathing. Had a smaller deck with kind of a cover over it before that we tore out, going a little larger, and a metal roof that matches up with their guttering. So it'll be a pretty big change to the look of the back of the house.
Yeah. So Shaun, a lot of times you take us to a lot of extravagant decks and backyards and stuff. This one's a little more simple. It was a small deck and now it's a lot bigger for them to enjoy.
Yeah, before the deck had about enough room to walk through and maybe have a grill out on the deck. They'll have enough room for a seating area and their grill, and a little more covered space for them to enjoy the outdoors.
Yeah, absolutely. I like that a lot, and looks like it's coming along pretty well back here as well.
Making some progress, quick progress. A little muddy today, so you know, it might be slowing a few things down, but overall, still getting after it.
Been a little rainy the last week or so, but you guys are still working hard, we know that. Shaun, tell us a little bit more about the back here, the siding, the trim, and just what they decided to do with this house.
Well, so we wanted to still match up with some of the other materials on the house. So we've got some actual wood for the trim work, so it stays consistent around the house. We pulled off some masonite siding, which is kind of the pressed fiberboard that tends to not handle moisture very well. Doing an upgrade on siding to another product that handles the moisture a lot better. Still ties in nicely with the rest of the siding. Wood grain looks the same, but will be a big improvement on moisture resistance.
So Shaun, also tell us about the new sliding glass door by the deck.
Yeah, they've got a sliding glass door, starting to lose the seal a little bit, not sliding as well as it used to, not overly energy efficient. So we're gonna be updating that door, something a little more kind of heavy duty as far as build quality, low E, so it's gonna be more energy efficient and just a nice, fresh, new look.
Yeah, and so for anyone that's wanting to have you guys come out and upgrade the deck, that's a perfect time to do that, correct?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Well, tell us how people can get more information about Wichita Homeworks and what you guys are up to right now.
Well, they can call us at the office, 316-303-4485. Find us on the web at www.wichitahomeworks.com. Get us on Facebook, Instagram, all the social media.
They're all over the place for sure. Shaun, thanks so much for taking some time, and hope you're having a good summer.
Yeah, thank you.
That'll do it for this edition of Good Day Kansas. Hope you can tune in again tomorrow right here on KSN.